This is How Does Everything Work? Quick, clear, simple. Let's begin. How does auto-rotate actually work? Your phone does something so simple, so automatic, that you probably never even think about it. You turn it sideways and the screen turns with you. But how does your phone know you did that? How does it instantly sense what direction it's facing? And why does auto-rotate sometimes feel like it refuses to cooperate? Today we're breaking down the invisible system that lets your phone know which way is up. Your phone has a built-in sense of gravity. Inside every phone is a tiny component called an accelerometer. Think of it as your phone's balance organ, the same way your inner ear helps you stay upright. The accelerometer measures acceleration, not just movement, but the force of gravity itself. In perfect stillness, it can feel gravity pulling downward. So when you rotate your phone, the direction of that gravity pull changes relative to the phone. Your phone compares this change and says, "Oh, I guess we're sideways now." This is the first layer of auto-rotation. But that's not enough. If your phone relied only on the accelerometer, auto-rotate would feel slow, clunky, and wrong half the time. So your phone uses backup sensors. The gyroscope. This tracks rotation, the speed and direction your phone turns. The magnetometer. Basically a digital compass, helping your phone know its orientation in 3D space. When all three sensors combine, your phone has a full picture of how it's being held. This combination is called sensor fusion, and it's the secret behind smooth, accurate auto-rotation. Why auto-rotate sometimes fails. Everyone has experienced this. You lie sideways on your couch, your phone refuses to rotate, you rotate it back. Suddenly it rotates the other way. So what's going on? Your phone tries to avoid accidental rotations because people often tilt their phones slightly without meaning to. So manufacturers set thresholds. Your phone ignores tiny movements to prevent flipping too easily. In other words, your phone is trying to be helpful, and sometimes it's too cautious. Even worse, if your accelerometer or gyroscope gets confused because you're lying down, moving fast, or holding the phone at an angle, the phone doesn't have a clear "this is up" signal, so it hesitates. The software magic. Once your phone senses the correct orientation, the actual rotation is handled by the operating system. On iPhone, that's iOS. On Android, that's Android OS. They redraw the entire interface in a different layout, then animate the transition so it feels smooth and instant. What looks like a simple flip is actually dozens of UI elements rearranging perfectly in real time. What happens when you lock auto-rotate? When you turn on rotation lock, your phone keeps reading the sensors, but it ignores the data. It still knows you're turning it, it just refuses to change the screen. The sensors never turn off. Your phone is always paying attention. If this helped you understand the world a little better, tap subscribe. There's a lot more to learn, and we're just getting started.